Now that we've been using Microsoft Teams for a while, and we're assured it's not going away, it's time we learned a few nuances that may make Teams an even handier tool. This tutorial is about making a notification dump channel in Teams. Why would you do this? The goal is to avoid cluttering the posts section in the general channel of a class team. Step 1. In a class team, create a new channel by clicking the three dots to the right of the team name. Then choose Add Channel. Name the channel anything that floats your boat. It's important to leave privacy on standard. Once the channel is created, click the settings dots, then hide to help the channel remain unobtrusive. This next part is important. Click settings dots on the new channel and select Manage Channel. Set Channel Moderation to On, then uncheck Allow members to reply to channel messages, allow members to pin channel messages, and allow connectors to submit channel messages. Make sure to enable bot posting if it isn't already. Doing this allows you to post assignment notifications to this channel during the assignment creation process. When creating an assignment, look for Post Assignment Notifications in the Assignment Settings area. You should find the new assignment post channel listed on the next screen. Make sure it's selected, then click Done. You may now post the assignment and it won't show up in the General Posts tab.